back everyone. Today our recipe is Moroccan pizza. If you're in Morocco, you'll go to some of the small little cafes there, and this is the type of pizza that you'll have. It's sort of between a traditional Italian pizza and a Turkish pizza. So if you're interested, continue watching and I'll come up with this recipe for you. Alright, so we've got our dough ready to go. All we've got to do now is pretty much place that on our tray. There we go. All right, now the next thing that we've got to do is we get some tomato paste. We put some tomato paste on this. Like I said guys, this is a Moroccan style pizza, not your traditional Italian. So we'll get that around as so. Alright. Now we've got that going. We've got some cheese. Pop a bit of cheese on there. Alright, next what we've got here is some ground beef that we've cooked off as part of the recipe. So what we'll do, we'll just pop a bit of that around. Bit different than your normal style pizzas. Alright, I think we're just about there. Okay, next what I have here is some caramelized onions with a little bit of garlic and some bell peppers, red ones. Depends on what part of the world you come from. People call them capsicums. So we're just going to place some of these just around this pizza. Get them going. Probably a bit quicker and easier to do it by hand, but that's okay. Just about there. Alright, so next into the oven this goes. Alright, so we've got our pizza in the oven. As you can see up here, it's pretty damn hot, so you want it on a pretty hot setting because this ain't going to take too long to cook. So we'll get that going, and as soon as this is ready, we'll show you what it's come up like. And guys, don't forget, if you like what you see, please share and subscribe, and we'll continue. Hopefully this won't take long. Alright guys, so as you've seen, pizzas are done. Look at those. They're ready to go. Now what we're going to do is give them a taste test. Have a look at the air in there. You can see, beautiful. Very light, very tasty. It's nice. Not your traditional pizza, but it's a pizza. It's a Moroccan pizza. If you ever go to Morocco, you'll go to some of these little restaurants, cafes, and that's the type of pizza that they'll serve you. But they're not hard to make, simple, make them at home, try something different. If you're a pizza lover, you must try them. But anyway guys, thanks anyway for tuning in. I hope you liked that video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Coming up soon anyway. Cheers.